Right, what I did was I took one of these steel angle brackets that I got from a DIY store locally, and I pushed it through a slot that I made just under the MDF, and it is screwed down through the MDF and through the holes in the metal bracket. Now, excuse me, that one is there to allow me to move this bracket up and down to give me better accuracy of finding the centre for the stepper motor to link with the coupler and then onto the threaded rod. So as you can see, the bolts are longer than what I need, so I just added nuts on the end rather than try and cut them, because I didn't know what length I wanted, and it was the easiest way to go about it. Now the reason the motor is on this angle is because the fixings on these brackets have only got the two holes in alignment with two of the holes on the stepper. So rather than muck about drilling four, another two, I just stuck with the two, and I see no reason to worry too much about the other two. I had to drill the bracket out because it wouldn't accept the lip on the stepper motor. That lip there. So I got a 22mm step cutter and bored it out, and it fitted like a glove. Excuse me. So there's four bolts on here, and that's as solid as a rock, and you've seen it in action anyway. Can't remember if I've told you, but I'll tell you again anyway, just to be on the safe side. These brackets that are holding the bearing, they are 22mm copper wall clips that plumbers use. Pack of 10 cost me $160 something or other from, again, my local DIY place. I've also refitted the linear encoder, PCB and sensor, and hot glued the cables down so they can't move about too much. And that's about it for the wide table. I'm not going to show you how I fix it once the table's in to the carriage. You've seen that before on our previous videos when I was building the wide table. So yeah, now we're going to be working on the X-axis next. Can't even see it. Turn the screen round, Raymond, and you'll be able to see it. There you go. Yeah, I got the block gluing off to go in the ink carriers, and then I just got to fit the nut in the block for the threaded bar, and then that's that section done. Then all I got to do then is I've got one more bracket to get from DIY Centre, and then I can mount the X-axis stepper motor. Right, here we go, peeps.